What is the best kept secret in all of North Phoenix? Anthem, Arizona. You might be thinking you're priced out of a community like this with all the amenities it has to offer. Well, think again. This home is offered and it's in the threes. With a community center that is sure to impress, Anthem is buzzing with sports and activities for all ages. Walking trails, dog parks, hiking at Daisy Mountain, pickleball, shopping, dining, and so much more. One visit and you'll want to call this place home. Enjoy low-maintenance living in this charming 3-bedroom, 2.5-bath home featuring over 1,600 square feet of living space inside, and the HOA maintains the landscaping outside. With neutral paint, stainless steel appliances, soft close cabinets, this functional floor plan has both spacious living areas downstairs and well-sized bedrooms upstairs. The primary suite features a private bath, generous closet space, and a bonus loft area right outside its entry. Walkability to parks, shopping, and dining? Yes, please. This home is perfect for lock and leave and everyday living. I'm Tiffany Goldsmith with the Crouch Group. Contact us today for your private showing.